Hey guys, Pokey Do Ride's House of Bill Repute is showing you how to take an engine out of a motorhome. That's Scott, Air Force guy. What we're doing right now, 502 block motor. Check this out. I just want to give you all an update on how we pull an engine out. We start with a backhoe. We remove the front end. Crazy Scott gets up inside there with the tools. Crazy Daniel out here working at night, and we're pulling the engine. 502 cubic inch with a 4-speed on the back end of it. A sweet setup. This one here, we're pulling by removing a little bit of the front end of the RV. It used to be looking a little different. But now, coming out, and Scott's pulling her right now. A little chop shop work. How sweet can you get, guys? Hey, Scott.
Yeah.
How many more minutes?
About 300.
300 minutes. All right. Scott's gonna be on YouTube for tearing up my damn motorhome. There we go, man. Y'all seen it. You're witnesses. All right, this is the removal process right here. Look at that. That's an old sports Pathfinder. It was a big Class A 36 footer, and the previous owners had this big 502 put in here down in Austin, Texas, when they blew their other engine that was in here, and pretty expensive setup. So we got it after they abandoned it and got arrested for drugs and. You know, don't haul dope in your RV. So now Scott's got it, and he's putting the motor in a what?
72 Chevelle.
72 Chevelle. Look at this freaking monster he's putting in a 72 Chevelle, man. You want to talk about sweet.
I just need to try to keep the front wheels on the ground.
Yeah, hard part's going to be keeping the front wheels on the ground and not twisting the body, because it's starting out as a 380 horse motor, so you can just imagine how goofy it's going to be. But hopefully we'll get some pictures of Scott's Chevelle when he's done with this. He's actually able to take it to the Air Force base where he works at and run it down the runway at 175 miles per hour, and hopefully the windshield won't blow through. But what the hell? Damn nice. Even its arrangement will drop in his Chevelle. You want to talk about sweet. Perfect. Absolutely perfect. So we use this little backhoe here out here at my place, and it ripped open what used to be the motorhome front end and all of its body parts all down in here. Even the chair, look at this, even the chair still mounted. That is cool. Look, backhoes can do amazing things, man. Look at that, there's the ignition still there. Former steering column parts. We saved the steering column because it's an I did it or whatever steering column. Really nice one. I saved that. But there it is. Lots of scrap wire from other projects. Miscellaneous crap from everywhere. Current temperature right now is about 24 degrees. We're freezing our ass off. But Scott don't mind, do you?
Nope.
300 bucks, right?
Yeah.
$300 motor and transmission.
Told one of my friends about this. Built his own Camaro when he was younger. And he told me, who is this blind guy that you're getting this stuff from? Because you're robbing him blind.
Yeah, no shit. No, we get these in seizure hauls. So everybody knows that my videos. I'm a truck driver and I operate heavy haul, and sometimes we pick up these big babies. So that's a sweet setup. I can't wait to watch him run it. And he's going to run it positive. He's got to work tomorrow at what, noon?
Yeah.
So he's out here at about 10 o'clock or 9 o'clock at night, still going at it, and has to drive 100 miles to bring it home. That's dedication. Check this out. Former travel trailer that he built in one day. I'll show you this guy's stuff. This trailer here, he built this in one day from an original travel trailer that I had out on my property so that he could get another engine that came out of that thing. So this is a beauty. The guy's got hellacious quality work. But one day build, 16-foot flatbed, 3,500 pound axle from a old 1968 model trailer. You want to talk about classic. That's nice. So you guys see what Pokey Do Right does in the evening when I get home from running the load cattle or anything else. I tear shit up. We got work to do. And now the engine's about ready to come out. With a strap on it and a chain. We're about to get her removed, so my job, of course, is to run my backhoe, and his job is to pull his engine. He paid for it. You pull it. Pokey's place. That's kind of cool. I'll show you a few pictures of it as it goes, and you can see how easy it's done.
Good. As long as you can go towards the trailer, we're good. We're all clear. Oh, oh, oh. I'm coming. We want to try to sit it in the middle if we can. Are you maxed out?
Might have to pull your truck forward. I'm maxed out on my hip jump.
Okay, we're going to go down and shoot center. Go down and we'll go towards center.
Forward about what? You want to just get a couple of tires and put under?
Yeah, I think so.
Alright.
Perfect.
Good.
Yep. Do this kind of stuff with airplanes tomorrow.
No hell.
It's not as glorious as it sounds.
Well, you work on airplanes and you go home and work on engines. I wonder if he's going to leave that brake on there. I'd leave that brake on there, Scott. I'd leave that brake on there. Yep, there she blows. Transportated engine.